welcome to Plantation Smokehouse, the best restaurant on the northeast coast. Only Sharkies can compare. When you come to the Plantation Smokehouse, just walk up, sanitize, environmentally friendly. We have our bar, you can come. We have barbecue wings, buffalo wings, lemon pepper wings. You can also watch sports.
No liquor? Okay, Miss Virgin. Virgin Mary.
I'm driving.
Okay, we don't want to have that, right?
Right.
Alright, so you can try to blended fruit punch.
I'll have a strawberry lemon.
Strawberry lemonade for you?
Sing. I didn't see your.
See something myself? It's our signature drink.
Oh, okay. Yes. I
Alright.
have that.
That's it for you guys?
Yeah.
Alright guys, order in 45 minutes. Alright, let's do that.
Alright.
You can call in to make reservations. If it's more than 6, we can decorate the table for you, and we have a surprise for birthday celebrations, okay? Okay, we have a upstairs dining. We can cater for 50 or more, 50, 55 on our balcony, which is the patio. Unfortunately, there's not a sun covering, so in the evening hours, it's more suitable for the balcony. For our loyalty points, we have a plug program where you can come, sign up, ask for Chris Hanna, and you can get your loyalty plug card where you can go to different restaurants and earn loyalty points. On Fridays, we have live band. On Saturdays, we have a dancehall disco. On Sunday, we have a retro disco. remember, come to Plantation Smokehouse. It's the best jerk on the North Coast.